How to fix the right speaker not working on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and get both speakers working again. First, make sure your volume isn't turned all the way down. Press the volume up button and check if sound comes from both sides. After that, go to your settings. From there, tap Sounds and Vibration. At this point, tap Volume. In the next step, make sure the media volume is turned up. Following this, go back to Settings and tap Apps. Once done, open any app you use for audio, like YouTube or Spotify. From here, tap Permissions and make sure nothing is restricted. At this stage, go back to Settings and tap General Management. After this, tap Reset, then tap Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data. Finally, if the issue still continues, it may be a hardware issue. Consider visiting a service center. And that's it. If this speaker fix guide helped you get both speakers working again, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates.